With the advent of the first digital revolution came the Internet of Information. People could access and retrieve information with their fingertips, anywhere or even on the move. The world became a smaller place. But with this increase in information and data, the pertinent questions of privacy and security also started arising. This paved the way for the second digital revolution, which is concurrent as we speak. While, on the one hand, it tackles the issue of privacy and security to a large extent, it has also presented to us the Internet of Value. Now, anything of value can be traded across the Internet, and all those associated with it can track its provenance. And that is what blockchain technology makes easy to accomplish. Let us start by looking once again at where blockchain market is slated to be by 2025 and 2030. The business value add-on of blockchain will grow to slightly more than 176 billion by 2025, and then it will exceed $3.1 trillion by 2030. And 91% of global IT infrastructure will be on blockchain by 2030 as predicted by Gartner. Newer blockchain platforms will entail huge challenges adoption. Automation is going to be the key. The global smart contract market is expected to reach $300 million by 2023 with a CAGR of 32%. Need will be of ready marketplace for smart contracts to subscribe and use as stated by Market Research Future. All this points to a huge disruption brought in by blockchain technology. Now, let us see what is happening in blockchain technology industry. Let's start with Hyperledger. Hyperledger, or the Hyperledger project, is an umbrella project of open source blockchains and related tools. Started in December 2015 by the Linux Foundation and have received contributions from IBM, Intel, and SAP Ariba to support the collaborative development of blockchain-based distributed ledgers. The Hyperledger Greenhouse details the distributed ledgers or blockchain protocols, the libraries, the tool sets, and the business domain specific solutions that the consortium is developing or have developed. Hyperledger is the fastest growing consortium hosted by the Linux Foundation. Built under the Linux Foundation's model of technical governance and open collaboration, individual developers, service and solution providers, government associations, corporate members, and end users are contributing in the development and promotion of blockchain technologies for the business. Hyperledger brings together organizations and individuals across the globe, industry, and competitive lines to establish protocols and standards that improve the performance and reliability of blockchain. Next, we look at Ethereum. Ethereum is a global open source platform for decentralized applications. On Ethereum, you can write code that controls digital value, runs exactly as programmed, and is accessible anywhere in the world. In other words, Ethereum is a decentralized platform that runs smart contracts. Let us compare Ethereum with Bitcoin for easy understanding. Bitcoin can be described as digital money and is used to transfer money from one person to another. It is commonly used as a store of value and has been a critical way for the public to understand the concept of a decentralized digital currency. Ethereum, on the other hand, is different than Bitcoin in that it allows for a smart contracts which can be described as highly programmable digital money. Imagine automatically sending money from one person to another, but only when a certain set of conditions are met. Ether is a token whose blockchain is generated by the Ethereum platform. Ether can be transferred between accounts and used to compensate participant mining nodes for the computations they have performed. Now let's look at another protocol by the name R3 Coda. Coda is an open source platform that enables business to transact directly and strict privacy using smart contracts, reducing transaction and record keeping cost and streamlining business operations. In a world of permissionless blockchain platforms, in which all data is shared with all parties, Coda's strict privacy model allows business to transact seamlessly. In other words, this is a permissioned blockchain network. R3 delivers two interoperable and fully compatible distributions of the platform. Coda, a free download based on the code available on GitHub, and Coda Enterprise, a commercial version which offers features and services fine-tuned to modern-day businesses. R3 leads the largest blockchain ecosystem in the world, comprising hundreds of technology firms building applications on Coda, known as CODApps, as well as institutions collectively exploring distributed ledger technology and embracing this technology to solve real-world problems. We will now look at Ripple. Ripple is a real-time gross settlement system, currency exchange, and remittance network created by Ripple Labs Incorporation. Ripple is built upon a distributed open source protocol and supports tokens that can be made to represent any entity like fiat currency, cryptocurrency, commodities, or any other unit of value. Ripple supports to enable secure, instantly, and nearly free global financial transactions of any size with no chargeback. The ledger employs a decentralized native cryptocurrency known as XRP. Ripple has been adopted by banks and payment networks as settlement infrastructure technology. Ripple relies on a common shared ledger, which is a distributed database storing information about all Ripple accounts. The network is managed by a network of independent validating servers that constantly compare their transaction records. Servers could belong to anyone, including banks or market makers. Ripple validates accounts and balances instantly for payment transmission and delivers payments notification with very little latency, maybe within a few seconds. Payments are irreversible and there are no chargebacks. RippleNet is the actual platform that is used to build the remittance system for cross-border payments of all kinds, like customer to customer, business to customer, or business to business. RippleNet is a decentralized global blockchain network of these entities that use Ripple's distributed financial technology and provides real-time messaging, clearing, and settlement of financial transactions. RippleNet has a standardized rule set, which has been created with inputs from the banks, a liquidity solution which reduces costs, plus speed and traceability of payments, similar to say Visa or MasterCard. RippleNet provides a consistent payment experience through a rulebook, which encompasses a set of payment rules and standards. RippleNet has two main solutions: Xcurrent, which processes real-time payments between the network from a messaging and settlement perspective. Second, Xrapid. This provides on-demand liquidity through access to a liquidity pool of digital assets, that is XRP, that eliminates the need to hold nostro accounts in destination currencies.